Hi, it's Brooke with WTI. If you're looking for a really nice lotion, a body lotion, you gotta check out Nourish Organics. This body lotion is the almond vanilla, and I love the scent of it.
I love that the scent isn't too strong. It's not overwhelming. It gives me excellent hydration. It feels so soft on the skin and it really absorbs well. It doesn't just sit on the surface of the skin. It doesn't feel like it's wet or gross to the touch. So it does a great job of absorbing. I love the ingredients. It has aloe, shea butter, essential oils, vitamin E. Some of those ingredients are my favorite. And it doesn't irritate my sensitive skin or give me any allergic reaction. So this is really wonderful for getting a nice, smooth texture, getting rid of those dry cracks or scales. I love everything about it.
I think it feels really great on my skin, so I love it. But that's just my point of view.